I'm Brittany with WTI, and weather can change quick, so it's good to be prepared.
And this TACVASEN men's lightweight puffer jacket was perfect. It is water and wind resistant. The material is so well made. I love the quality of the zippers. Because the main pockets have zippers, that's good if it is raining. And then you also have the option of putting it in the pocket on the inside, again, if you are running into bad weather. The hood has this mummy sleeping bag look to it, which is perfect because when it does get cold, it's important to be able to keep those ears and neck warm. It did such a good job covering him from all angles. We took this backpacking to Tangle Blue Lake in the Trinity Alps, and it definitely got cold at night and in the morning, so this was just such a nice thing to throw on in the evening time. In the morning, you can be by the fire and get your body warm so that you can be ready to get all the rest done. And because it's so lightweight, it is so easy to pack up. You can roll it up and just slide it into its hood. And it was so easy to just push down into a backpack. Like I said, we're backpacking. My husband and I love to match, so we just loved that it was the perfect color to go with my coat.
And that's my point of view.